Okay, I'm going to make a pizza, another pizza crust, a different one. I'm just kind of, making this up in my head, but I've seen a whole bunch of different videos. But I'm going to try to make a large pizza crust. I'm going to start with, I got 8 ounces of Gouda shredded and 2 ounces of mozzarella shredded. Put this in the food processor. You can do it in a mixing bowl, however you want to do it. I'm going to use 4 eggs in here, in the crust. Also, this is optional, but now here this gives you a yeast, like a bread flavor. They're nutritional yeast flakes. I'm going to put a tablespoon in. It's 1 carb per tablespoon. And then I'm going to use some beef gelatin to help give it some texture. No carbs. I'm going to put a tablespoon in. Again, I'm just making this up on the fly. I'll put the ingredients in the list. You can go and add some flavoring that you like. I guess I could try some garlic powder, maybe. Let's see, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and why not a teaspoon of onion powder? Sounds good, huh? Should be enough salt in there from the cheeses. I really don't need to add any more. So mix this up in your food processor. First, you need to preheat this oven to 350. All right, let me start that. There we go. All right, I got parchment paper already on a brown. This is a large pizza pan, so I put 2 pieces of parchment paper on there. Put a little bit of olive oil cooking spray on. Probably don't need anything, but just in case. All right, let's go ahead and process this up. Let's make sure you can see the parchment paper. Alright, it comes out like a dough consistency. Like about what, a minute of let me get the spatula here. Yeah, that's like a good, it is like a dough consistency there. The gelatin, I was hoping would help give it that. I believe that's what it did. But now all you have to do is just, get it out to the edges where you like it. I feel this is going to take a little bit. I'm going to get that thin, Of course, it wants to stick to my spatula. So, I think I'm going to have to do this by hand, which is fine. Again, this is a learn as you go. Probably could have used a rolling pin. That may have been too simple, right? I think what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go ahead and form this into a ball. Use my rolling pin. Trial and error, right? that into the bowl here. I'm going to wash my hands, get the rolling pin, and be back. Okay, I sprayed a piece of parchment paper with olive oil. I sprayed some on here too. This is probably the way I should have done it the first place. Start by hand here first. You want to get this thin. Okay, I'm going to start using my rolling pin here. Have to move the paper around a little bit. This is the pre-cut parchment paper, which is so much easier. But unless you need a bigger, you don't have to be perfect. Some of these people on YouTube, they got so perfect. I'm not that person. So get it spread out here as best you can. You don't want it too thin like over here, so get some of this out of the middle over to the edge. Use your hands to get some of that back in there, right? There you go. Kind of roll the edges back a little bit if you want. You gotta give you a kind of an edge, It's up to you. How you want to do it. It's your pizza, right? This is more of an oblong pizza. Yeah. But it's pizza. I'm just going to pull it back a little bit, give it a little bit of an edge. Thin down a little over here, so there you go. It's not the best looking thing, but it works. Just kind of, get those thin spots. Play around with it, the dough, get the way you like it. Alright. I'll put this in the oven for about 12 minutes. See how this comes out. I just took a little sneak peek of it. Looks like it don't matter about your edges. It's just coming out anyway. So looks like it may come out to the edge by the time this is done. Be a perfect round. We shall see. Hopefully. It's all trial and error. Okay, the time's up on the pizza crust. I did add another 8 minutes to it, so 20 minutes is what I come up with. The edges are turning brown. That's what it looks like. See the edges there. Starting to mount up. It feels like crust consistency. So I'm going to put it on this cold pizza stone to cool off. So I'm not going to use it though. I'm going to use the pizza sheet I guess you could use the stone if you want to, but I'm just using it now to cool off. I'm going to let it cool for about 15-20 minutes and then put the toppings on. I know this takes a while, but hey, can't rush perfection. Oh, also people say you need to flip it over. So we do that. Some other similar recipes. So they flip the crust over before they let it. There we go. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's looking good. So we'll do that, let it cool down for about 15-20 minutes, and then go from there. Put the toppings on. Okay guys, it's cooled down now. Gonna use a half cup of Raos pizza sauce. This is a 14-inch crust is what it measured out to be, so it's a large pizza. Okay. Using a 14-inch crust. This Raos pizza sauce is 3 total carbs per 1/4 cup. So it's 6 carbs. Okay. And take a wooden spoon or whatever spoon, spread it out. If you want to keep it carnivore, just skip the pizza crust. Maybe throw some cheese sauce on there, I guess, or vegan Alfredo sauce maybe, or just go dry. You know, get out as far to the edges as you can. I used to, years ago, I used to be a Domino's pizza manager. I used to make pizzas all the time. Thousands of pizzas. That was a long time ago before I was a trucker. There you go. And then I'm not going to put a cheese at the base because I got quite a bit to put on top. I'm going to start with some pepperonis. You can put whatever toppings you want on, you know. Just keep it keto or carnivore. This whole thing is only going to be, the mozzarella cheese says it's less than 1 gram per ounce, and there's probably about, what's this, here's 8 ounces, 10 ounces, we'll call it 10 carbs. Pepperonis, I don't think there's any carbs. Yeah, there's no carbs in pepperonis, I'm pretty sure. So that'll be 0. There's none in the ham, 0. None in the bacon, 0. So what do we got? We got 6 on the sauce, 10 on the mozzarella. The Gouda, which I used in the crust, was 0. I checked the package. So just spread your pepperonis out. You know, if you want to go double pepperoni, go double. I'm just going to do 1 layer. You know, quite a bit of pepperonis there. Then the bacon, just dice up some cooked bacon. That's 6 slices of bacon, thick slice. Right brand is what I use. You can use anything. It's just what I had in the refrigerator. I really like the right brand bacon. It's really good. Okay, then I got some ham, so let's put some ham on there. Diced ham. I'm pretty sure this was 0. I'd have to check the package, which is in the trash. You know, I probably should have put it in the trash. I'm pretty sure it's the reason why I bought it. I try to keep everything 0 carb, or as close to as I can, you know, on the meats. I mean, even if it's one carb an ounce, it's about 8 ounces of ham, I believe. So, but this whole thing so far is, let's say 10 on the cheese, 6 on the, so a whole pizza is roughly, oh, there was 1 in the nutritional yeast too. The whole thing's about 16 carbs for, but you can get 8 slices out of there, so you're looking at 2 carbs. I don't do the net carbs. If you want to do net carbs, that's fine, but I don't. So, alright, let's put the cheese on here. Boy, this is looking good. I am impressed how this turned out. I'll have to put all the, I just pretty much just out of my head to come up with the measurements, because most of the people they make these small pizzas, like little 6-inch. I'm like, come on, let's make a big pizza. So whatever we don't eat, there's 3 of us tonight, and then so but whatever we don't eat, we will save it. Leftover pizza is always the best, right? All right, let's put this in the oven. I'm just gonna leave it at 350 since that's where it's preheated at. You could always turn it up to 400, but I'm gonna try 12 minutes, see what it looks like. Let's see, 12. All right, we'll look at it after 12. Okay. I went ahead and added another 5 minutes, so it's at 17. So let's see what it looks like here. Looking good. Edges are all nice and crisp. I guess you could always, put it on broil if you like to get the top, browner, the cheese. Okay, let's see how this slices. Get a plate here. See what this looks like. There we go. The dough's just a little bit soggy, but not too bad. We'll have to see with the taste test. We'll let that cool a little bit. It's definitely a thin crust. The edges are crisp, so we'll have to see. Guess I'll go ahead and try it hot here. Hot, but it does taste like pizza. The dough is a little soggy, but maybe after it sits a little bit, we'll see. If you like this, subscribe, share with your friends, and hit like. Thank you.